Have you already heard that sales of NFTs or non-fungible tokens soared to $2 billion at the beginning of this year? Do you really want to know how to begin buying and selling non-fungible tokens? If so, you've come to the right place. Just a little bit more patience and you too can touch the non-fungible sky. Welcome to Wealthy Wallet, where we talk about the best ways to make money and build wealth. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you never miss a future upload. Quick reminder, non-fungible tokens or NFTs are unique units of data, images, photos, audio, or video files that are stored on a blockchain or digital record such as Ethereum. Unlike fungible assets such as dollars, ounces of gold, or bitcoins, non-fungible assets such as pieces of art and plots of land can't be exchanged. But if you buy an NFT, the NFT belongs to you, and you can sell it at a price. The most profitable NFTs to date include MetaRift, costing $904,413, Forever Rose at a cost of $1 million, CryptoPunk Ape costing $1.5 million, Axie Infinity Real Estate at a cost of $1.5 million, CryptoPunk Ape costing $1.6 million, Dorsey's first ever tweet at a cost of $2.9 million, Beeple's Crossroads costing $6.6 million, CryptoPunk Alien at a cost of $7.57 million, and Beeple's Everydays, the first 5,000 days, costing $69 million. The two entrepreneurs that bought Beeple's Everydays for $69 million insist in the not-so-distant future this dubious piece of art will net them $1 billion. Interested? Don't panic. Your curiosity is about to be satisfied. Number 5. Where can you find NFTs? Launched in 2017, OpenSea, the premier NFT marketplace, gives you the opportunity to buy and sell NFTs on their site. Non-fungible tokens include digital art, collectibles, ticketing, games, virtual worlds, music, films, memes, sports, and fashion. NFTs include digital card collections such as the LeBron James Slam Dunk card. NFTs include in-game assets such as digital plots of land in computer games. One plot of 16 acres on Decentraland earned around $1 million in 2021. Musicians such as 3LAU, Kings of Leon, Lil Pump, Shepard Fairey, and Eminem have tokenized their music throughout the corona crisis. Movies such as Spectres of the Shoah, Triumph, and Godzilla vs. Kong have all been converted into NFTs. Memes such as Doge, Charlie Bit My Finger, Nyan Cat, and Disaster Girl have all been tokenized, and much of this is bought and sold on OpenSea. Number 4. How do you get started on OpenSea? To get started, you need to go to OpenSea.ie. On their homepage, go to the right of the screen to your profile image and select your profile. Your profile remains unnamed until you customize it. To customize it, use the Settings cog at the right of your profile picture. Here, there is a security check to see if it's really you. The sign-up agreement pops up before you can make the changes. Then, create a username, compose a quick bio, and add a secure email address to your account. Number 3. How do you buy NFTs? On OpenSea, you can choose between millions of NFTs. If you're attracted to a certain type of art, such as traditional art, just type these letters, traditional art, into the search engine. You buy NFTs either by bidding in an auction or by clicking on an NFT with a fixed price. Timed auctions only last a limited amount of time until the highest bidder takes home their prized NFT. In order to make a bid on an NFT on an auction, you need to bid 5% higher than the previous bidder. Fixed-priced NFTs, on the other hand, don't permit the price to be changed. Once you've decided which NFT you want to buy, click Buy Now. OpenSea reviews your purchase to make sure you know what you're buying and to make sure you don't buy fake versions of the real NFT. Then there is a checkout pop-up that tells you the final cost of your purchase. If you agree to these terms and conditions, you click Checkout. Here you can see the final cost plus charges. Click Confirm. You are now the proud owner of an NFT or NFTs. Congrats! If you wish to see the new NFT in your wallet, go back to your profile, select In Wallet. On the left side of the page, your new NFT should pop up. Now laugh! This NFT could make you rich. Or cry. This NFT could be worth nothing at all. Number 2. How do you sell NFTs? If this is the first time that you're selling an NFT, you need to make sure that your wallet is initialized. Prompts pop up to check that the NFT that you're selling hasn't been minted on OpenSea and that your NFT is authentic. Then you select the currency in which you would like to trade. There are an unlimited number of bidders or buyers who can make offers on your NFTs. It is similar to selling on eBay. The main difference is that eBay sells physical objects, but NFTs are digital. You need to select the NFT that you would like to sell in your wallet. On the listing page, go to your NFT and set up the price and type of sale. Begin the auction with a starting price, timed expiration, and price threshold, or choose a fixed price sale instead. Then, post your listing. The great part of selling an NFT is that you don't have to pay a direct fee for listing it. There are, however, additional fees once someone buys your NFT. Number 1. How do you make OpenSea work for you? So, is the NFT market going to crash? The market does seem to be inflated. The cheapest CryptoPunk cost $120,000. The most expensive cost $3 million. Prices have soared insanely, so it's crucial that you play safe. Projects are hard to evaluate, and NFTs are often illiquid. So how are you going to collect the cash? In the end, you might be left with a worthless JPEG. One seller posing as an artist sold an NFT that the artist himself did not produce. This con man netted a cool $336,000 in only one NFT transaction. How would you like to lose more than $300,000 of your earnings and savings in one investment? Would you even survive the shock and horror? To use OpenSea effectively, you need to invest in 3 elements: Ethereum tokens, a secure Ethereum wallet, and a secure cryptocurrency exchange. The safest Ethereum wallet is the Ledger Nano Store. The most secure cryptocurrency exchanges are Coinbase, Gemini, and Crypto.com. It is also advisable to invest in digital pieces of art, in fashion NFTs, in licensed collectibles, or in video games. Digital pieces of art are profitable because they give clear ownership to the artists and to the collectors. These digital pieces of art can earn millions. Beeple's Every Days, the first 5,000 days, earned $69 million. This collage is an interesting piece, depicting 5,000 days of creativity. If you have an eye for art and a good sense of the ups and downs of the market, investing in digital pieces of art could make you rich. Fashion NFTs are profitable because you can release a digitalized limited edition of your clothing lines. You can build an NFT marketplace for your clothes and accessories and sell them online at astronomical prices. Licensed collectibles are profitable because NFTs prove that your collection is unique and belongs to you. The most popular collectibles are sports cards. Sell them online at mind-blowing prices to sports fanatics that are desperate to relive those moments of sporting heroism. The video game NFTs help you to engage larger audiences and increase revenue opportunities. That plot of land in which our virtual heroes fight to the death could generate millions of dollars in revenue. The OpenSea platform is powerful. There are millions and billions of dollars that can be made or lost out there. The question is, how can you make money instead of lose money? OpenSea is not the only NFT marketplace out there, but it is the biggest one with the most peer-to-peer sales in the world. OpenSea makes money through every single successful transaction made on their platform. They take a 2.5% cut on purchases. So let's say you sell something for 100 Ether worth of an NFT, you keep 97.5 of Ether and 2.5 Ether goes to OpenSea. In other words, you can still make big money. You just need one big investor that shares your tastes and has billions of dollars of illegal drug money to launder. Quick question, so what type of NFTs are you going to invest in and why? Bonus fact, the first ever tweet has earned $2.9 million as an NFT. It reads, "Just setting up my Twitter." That's it for our list. Hope you've learned some valuable rules today, guys.